So today a very short tip of fetal head when we are taking a section, whether it is a true mid-sagittal section or it is a parasagittal section. Now this is important. Why? I'll tell you that. Now let us go on to the picture and you'll be able to make out. Now one section of the fetus is when you get a section right through the center, that is a mid-sagittal section. Another one when you are not getting exactly through the center, you are getting just next to the center, that is a parasagittal one, which is like this. How it is important? Now comes a question. Now if you see to this section, this is a mid-sagittal section which is right through this area. Now in this mid-sagittal section you see a CSF filled area, semicircular CSF filled area. Now this is cavum, septum, pellucidum. Let us see the parasagittal section which is through this line here. Here the CSF filled area, semicircular one, is not cavum, septum, pellucidum. It is the lateral ventricle. How does it make a difference? The difference is when we are trying to look for corpus callosum, we want a section which is right through the center, the mid-sagittal section. Now whenever we get a mid-sagittal section, we are getting the cavum, septum, pellucidum, and above it is the corpus callosum. How the corpus callosum is seen? It is seen as a dark semicircular area parallel to the cavum, septum, pellucidum, surrounded by the two bright lines. So this is corpus callosum. You want to directly see the corpus callosum, then you have to get a mid-sagittal section where you see cavum, septum, pellucidum, and above it you see the corpus callosum. Now how to make out between the two? One clue is this choroid plexus. If you are seeing choroid plexus within this CSF filled area, then you are getting the lateral ventricle, because choroid plexus will not be there in cavum, septum, pellucidum. So if you are getting a section like this, then above this area you are not going to find corpus callosum normally. So just shift the probe, tilt it a little bit, get a section like this. Once you are getting a section like this, a CSF filled area without choroid plexus, you know that you are dealing with cavum, septum, pellucidum. That's all.